Hello dear students, today we'll talk about parts per million, that's ppm, as concentration term. This concentration term is used for very dilute solutions. For example, pollution in atmosphere or hydrosphere, disinfectants, that's chlorination used in water tanks. As such solutions are very dilute, so the appropriate concentration term used is usually ppm, that's parts per million. Now ppm is actually defined as the amount of solute present in million parts of solution. That is, ppm is equal to amount of solute divided by total amount of solution multiplied 10 raised power 6. Suppose we are having a solution of 100 ppm, which means 100 grams of solute are present in 10 raised power 6 grams of solution. This indicates that from a ppm solution we can get the mass of solute, that's here 100 grams, as well as the mass of solution, that is 10 raised power 6 grams. On subtracting the mass of solute from mass of solution, we can also get the mass of solvent. Now let's have an illustration. Express 0.1% into ppm. 0.1% is not an appropriate way of expressing concentration. So let's convert it into ppm to see how much it can be. As you know, 0.1% solution means 0.1 gram is present in 100 grams of solution. Therefore, mass of solute will be equal to 0.1 grams and mass of solution is equal to 100 grams. Thus, ppm can be calculated as ppm is equal to 0.1 by 100 into 10 raised power 6, which comes out to be 1000 ppm. Now I'm asking you to convert 100 ppm into percentage and give me the answers in comments. Thank you.